in a forex market, you can't expect all days to be the same, because I feel like sometimes you have to face some moments like this. Some moments like this. Currently, as we speak, I'm looking at the chart. At the chart. Of course, I'm outside, because today I told myself, like, I don't wanna chill in the house. I don't wanna be in the house. I just wanna chill somewhere and look at the market. As we speak, as you can see, I'm with my laptop, and as we speak, I'm looking at the chart, trying to find some opportunity. But guys, I'm not gonna lie, like this week, I don't think it's a good week to me. Not only me, because you can see that right here. You can see that the market this week, the market, bro, it's quiet. It's quiet. The market is not moving. The market is like, it's like sleeping, bro. It's like it's sleeping. Yeah, I think this weeks like this, when moments like this happens in the market, I think this is where most of traders, they lose their funds, because they force themselves to be in the market. They force themselves. Some traders, they think that every day you wake up, you have to trade. Every day you look at the chart, you have to trade. But today, I feel like I would like to share this message with you. If you're beginner, or maybe you still have this kind of mentality, like whenever you're looking at the chart as a forex trader, you have to be making money. You have to be placing the trade. I want to tell you, like, it doesn't go that way. As you know, guys, on my YouTube channel, it's all about, giving you guys some, like, to show you the way you can, you can do this thing, Yeah, man, like, I'm trying to give you guys peace of mind every single day, because I think this is the most thing which you need. You need some information, right? So this is one of them, and I think it's more important too. So keep in mind that not every single day you wake up, not every single day you're looking at the chart, you have to be pressing the trades, because some days the market is not moving, especially this week. But I understand the reason why the market is not moving on my side, and my experience in everything. I understand that last week we had NFP. All right, last week we had NFP, and NFP, did move so high. You understand? Did change the market. It did, like, the market has been moved so much, like last week Friday. So of course, as you know, Friday the market closed, opens Monday. So which means the whole Monday the market was trying to, to give some pullbacks and the stuff, so that the market can, can start rebuild itself, So I think this is the most reason why market is not moving that much this week. And if you look, even if you look at the market, we don't have any news this week. We don't have any news. So when we have different news, like, let's say we got a CPI this week, like this Monday, and then tomorrow, or maybe the day after tomorrow, we got maybe PPI, and then the day after tomorrow again we got another news, which this news, they're gonna make the market up and down, which this is where I think we get some different opportunities to enter the market. So but now, ever since the market moves so high, now we still waiting for the market to rebuild itself, to give the pullbacks, because just enter the market. Remember, you need to wait for the pullbacks. if the market has been moving so high, you need to wait for the pullback. So I think the market now is trying to rebuild itself, you know, and we have to be patient, because every time I look at the chart, bro, I don't see nothing to take, you know. I think since Monday I only got we only got one trade yesterday, which moved something about 50 pips. Yeah, something about 50 pips. Then I was good with that, you know. Was good with that, you know. So yeah, so weeks like this, many traders, they lose their funds. Many beginners, they lose their funds because they want to force themselves to be in the market every single minute, you know what I'm saying. So this is where you're going to lose your fund, because you're getting to the inside the market, which is not ready to be taken, just because you want to make sure you place your trade. Weeks like this, you need to save your capital. Save your capital, but the only thing you need to do is to look at the chart. Look at the chart, look how the market moves and stuff like that. Every single day, open the chart, check the chart. Bro, if you can't see no opportunity, bro, like, for real, don't force yourself. Don't force yourself. I'll show you what I'm looking at right now. Right now, I'm looking at USD. So USD, I think I'm gonna show you guys. I'm gonna show you what I see. I'm gonna show you what I see right here. Let me show you guys what I see. So as you can see here, this is USD. So if you look at USD, you can see that in USD we have, you know, we had this zone right here, and the zone got broken and we got pullback. After the pullback, we expecting maybe some confirmation around here, but before we get any confirmation, we can't do anything to this trade. We need to be patient, and I say so. And today's Thursday, this confirmation might happen today or might not happen, you know. We're just gonna be taking a look at the market, man. It's all about what we see. So there's nothing we can do. We need to chill out and wait until the market gives some beautiful confirmation. Might even push down a little bit here just to correct maybe this. Let me show you. Just to correct maybe this point right here, you know, something like this. So we need to wait, man. We need to be patient, though. We need to be patient. So like I did check everything. There's nothing much, man. Nothing much. If you look at this one, we can see that this is me, man. This is me. Sometimes I don't even need the analysis to the chart. When I see the chart, then I already know what's going on. But for you, I can just put the trend line just to show you what's going on right here. So here you can see that we had blackout to the trend line. The trend line was broken. We have this. Let me show you. We have this as, I think we're gonna need some zone right here. All right, some zone right here. So this, it might also be like, this is NSD JPY. Okay, you can see that we had this blackout, and we have this pullback to the zone, to the trend line. So but the confirmation is not enough. It's not enough for me to do anything to this trade. But this trade, and even if you look at the trend, the current trend that we have, you can see that we have this kind of trend, uptrend, type shit. You can see that we have this kind of trend. So of course we're expecting the NSD to pull up all the way over here, which is gonna give some enough pips, but still bro, you can see the market, bro, it's not moving. Like, it's quiet. It's like it's sleeping. Yeah, it's like sleeping. So I don't think this market is gonna give the opportunity today, but we're just gonna keep, we're just gonna keep our eyes on it. We'll see what's going on. So man, be safe out there. Don't force yourself this week. This week is fucked up. You know what I'm saying? So I don't know, maybe tomorrow, but this week for me is fucked up. Keep yourself safe. Next week you're gonna have too many news in the market. So yeah, next week you're gonna have too many news in the market. I think the market is gonna move a lot next week because we have almost 4 news that's going to be popping next week. You know what I'm saying? So I think the market is gonna be fire next week. So keep yourself safe, man. Don't force yourself to trade a lot this week because this week is fucked up, And keep your capital safe, because that's all we care about. And keep learning as well. Keep learning. And yeah, control your emotions, Control your emotions. Something like, not every single time you want to be in the chart. Not every single time you're watching the chart you want to trade. Sometimes you need to watch the chart so that you can see what's next. You watch the chart to see what's next. You don't watch the chart to take the trade at the same time. You only take the trade when the trade is ready to be taken. So peace out, man. It's your boy Juba Snipe. Make sure you join the free Telegram group. The link is on the description below. For more updates about the news next week, make sure you join the free Telegram group. The link is on the description below. As you can see, guys, I'm outside here, man. It's cold, man. It's cold in Cape Town nowadays, so I had to be here, man, just to feel like, yeah. So yeah, man, I'll be giving you guys an update next week about the news and everything, because we have 4 news that's going to be popping next week. And I'll give you an update. I'll be giving you guys an update in a free Telegram group about the market that we're gonna be focusing on. This week I haven't dropped a lot because I don't see nothing much, man. Even the market doesn't motivate me to do a lot of things, So yeah, man. And the other thing is, subscribe, like the video. Peace out. It's your boy, man.